Pranam, Dr. Sarah from Namma Bangalore, 1983, Health and Wellness. Thank you.
RB Pranam, Mr. Surini from Nagpur, RBID is 00571. Thank you.
RB Pranam, Manju Hogni from Chennai, RB 000. Thank you.
RB Pranam, Mukesh Supnekar, RB 02214.
RB Pranam, RB 00223. My business category is theatre advertisement.
Namaskara, myself Lokesh Sakla, RB Pranam. My RB ID is 688. We are in ERP software. Thank you so much.
Namaskara, RB Pranam. Ambika Joshi, Handicrafts and Gifting Solution. 875 is ID, RB ID.
Hi, this is Anand Krishnan here, educational consultant. I am from Mumbai. RBID is RB02307. Thank you so much for taking.
Namaskar, Bangalore. I am Jameen and I am also a star member.
Business networking is also essential for business development.
His motto and vision of networking has been such an amazing thing that it should be available for all the people, all the entrepreneurs in India.
RB Business Nexus, how it started, I think most of the viewers aware, during the COVID, many platforms have started. Correct, I have seen many people stuck in networking, but I want every member to be open in the networking and should meet many people on daily basis. Therefore, we have kept RB one Bharat, one community.
Each meeting will be different. Each meeting will be having a different experience and surprises. And 30 seconds to 1 minute extra presentations for every meeting for at least 1 or 2 people. And every meeting, 2 people will be introduced with their business profile indirectly.
So when you are training yourself to be a better networker, to be a better presenter, to be better at the system that you're in, what you do next is going to be absolutely easy.
See all of you that I've seen today, that I've spoken to yesterday and today, and everybody who didn't come. I hope to see all of you on Friday weekend. आराम से बैठ के बातें करेंगे.
Business is a process to find the problem of the people and give the right solution with their product and services, which help business owners to generate profit.
जिसकी मस्ती जिंदा, उसकी हस्ती जिंदा. जिसकी मस्ती जिंदा, उसकी हस्ती जिंदा. वरना जबरदस्ती जिंदा.
But it was very difficult how to manage. Person to person, it's very difficult. You can
office and could be on this thing and
I do both domestic as well as international destinations.
Harihara, that is Pawan Kalyan Sarar.
IT solutions, e-commerce solutions, mobile app development, any IT.
My name is Jaya Srinivasan and I am a health and wellness coach. And basically I am
20 years का रिटेल एक्सपीरियंस है और 8 साल से वाटर प्यूरिफायर इंडस्ट्री में सबको पानी पिला रहे हैं.
How will you know you're active? How will you know you're capable? How will you know there's a genius within you? Well, there is where I come in. This is the map of your brain, and the brain manual is what I offer you.
I'll be the end point. Now, why I say that is not because of the pride, but because what I've been doing for the last 29 years.
So basically मैं क्या करता हूँ, हर एक जन बिजनेस में हो, पर्सनल लाइफ में हो, आप HRCM के प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहे हो. HRCM मतलब हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, सक्सेस एंड मनी, करियर और सक्सेस एंड मनी.
So many rounds of networking, and I'm very sure you will see volunteer for networking company.
Responsible to bring the productivity for the fellow members and for the system. All the River team, I just invite you to come on stage to receive the award. So I would like to say, big thank you each and every staff member.
We are Gramium Manufacturing, one of the biggest manufacturing industries in India. Not only oil, we also have 250 LP products.
Prabhu, we as Mr. Srinivasan told, I am taking care of Bangalore. We have a brick and mortar store in Elchinelli Metro, near the metro station.
So I import the pearls from Austria. The brand Swarovski, ladies must be aware of this brand.
POS system, terminal seat printer and barcode scanner and customized kiosk for last 15 years, having presence across India.
I'll take you to Desire Creations. Tasneem will design a beautiful set for you. That's what I do.
And as you inhale, visualize all the positivities coming in. And as you exhale, visualize all the obstacles and negativities coming out.
So, but all were correct in their own ways, yes, because all were holding different parts of the elephant, but all were holding the elephant. In the same way, different modalities of numerology guide you to the same results. So, any modality you are following or all the modalities, definitely yes, you will come to a same result, provided you are guided by a good numerologist.
सबसे पहले हम सोचते हैं कि हम क्या पहने, तो यस, हाँ तो बस तो मैं अब आपको दिखाती हूँ कि
So if you kept in a study table or library places, concentration will be improved. It helps for
And we have variety of products, like as I said, groceries for the dry storage sets, and we have refrigerator sets where you can keep your fruits and vegetables in fresh conditions, and we have oven sets where you can reheat your food products.
You have a medical emergency problem, you need a fund, or you want an educational fund or startup fund, or जो भी problem हो, you can come to my platform. You can create a campaign, you can raise the funds.
Which eradicate plastic, start using the best of nature, eco-friendly palm leaf patta plates.
The brand name is VG, where we are doing into masala powders, which is being sourced from the original places where we get chili from Paddy or jeera from Rajasthan.
RBID 19.
So always the people who register first, they get an opportunity to introduce themselves first on the screen, and this time we given 25% extra time for them.
And the event is fantastic from the day, from 8:30 until now. It was really fantastic, and the organizing committee did a fantastic job.
And whenever members are going to sleep or something, I see, the hosts are keeping them engaged with yoga or some activities. This is really a great meet where I've come first time.
That was the first time for me to come up on this event like this, and I really enjoyed each and everything over here.
When I came, I didn't know anyone here. But when I'm going now, I have 150 contacts now, new contact.
This is the first time I'm coming for a RP meeting. I have been regular with networking in other areas.
यहाँ पे सभी एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए और सभी को एक जैसे बांध के रखना बहुत बड़ा बात है और बहुत अच्छा लगा बिजनेस के लिए।
आई सेल जो मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज़ लगी वो अपनापन सबके साथ। बाकी चीज़ें तो हो जाएगी बाद में, लेकिन ये जो चीज़ें बॉन्डिंग बनना, अपनापन होना, वो शायद मुझे नहीं पता किसी प्लेटफॉर्म में होता है या नहीं। मेरे लिए तो ये आज भी फर्स्ट टाइम कोई प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे मिला है।
This is a platform it's given to us to have network pan India.
So I think that something like this is quite needed. One, because yes, we get to know each other very, very well.